Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to walk away from your camera while still monitoring the audio? Maybe you're a one-man band having to operate several cameras at the same time, or perhaps you just need to go for a wee, but you can't because your headphones are connected to your camera with a good old-fashioned lead. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick, inexpensive way to create a latency-free wireless monitoring system from kit you probably already have lying about. So what are the items you're going to need? A camera with an audio out. In this video, I'm going to be using my Fujifilm X-T3 because it has an audio out. You're going to need 2 times stereo 3.5mm jack lead, the shorter the better. Some monitoring headphones with a 3.5mm input. The headphones I'm going to be using have both a left and a right input, which doesn't make them ideal for this setup. If you have headphones with a single 3.5mm jack input, they will work much better. A set of wireless microphones. Any wireless mics will work. You could use the Rode Wireless Go or something from Boya. Anything really, just bear in mind that some cheaper microphone systems will be line of sight only, but I'm going to be using my trusty set of Saramonic Blink 500 Pros. So let's rig this thing up. I've started with an optional step. Obviously you could use the inbuilt mic on your camera, but I chose to add a Rode Video Go to the top of my X-T3. Then take the transmitter from your kit and plug it directly into your camera using the first 3.5mm jack lead. Next, take your other 3.5mm jack lead and plug it into your receiver, and then the other end of it goes into your headphones. This is where a shorter jack lead would have come in really handy. It would allow you to clip the receiver directly onto your headphones. Pretty snazzy. Then turn everything on and make sure the levels are okay, and make sure that you don't accidentally mute the transmitter when you turn it on, like I did. And you're good to go. Wireless audio monitoring up to 100 meters, latency free. I'm sure there are plenty of you out there who have already thought of this, but there were no videos I could find online, and I thought it may be useful for some of you. If you did find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're interested, I've listed the items required in the video description to do this as cheap as possible. And before you leave, I just wanted to tell you about my new Facebook group. It's a place where you can ask me questions, request videos, and basically become part of the community. So come over and join us. There's a link to that in the video description too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again really soon.